Tired of your project management and customer data living in separate silos? In this quick tutorial, we're going to unlock the power of integrating Basecamp with Hubspot, boosting your business efficiency in under 90 seconds. First, let's talk benefits. Connecting these two powerhouses streamlines workflows by automatically sensing project-related customer data. This means your sales and marketing teams always have the latest project status, and your project managers gain valuable customer insights. Now for the how-to. The easiest method is using a third-party integration platform like Zapier or PSync. Start by creating an account on your chosen platform and log in. These platforms act as the bridge between Basecamp and Hubspot. Next, search for Basecamp and Hubspot within the platform's app directory and select them. You will then need to connect both accounts by providing your login credentials for each. Make sure you have the necessary permissions within both Basecamp and Hubspot to authorize the connection. Now comes the fun part: setting up your automations. These platforms use triggers and actions to define how data flows between the two systems. For example, you can set up a trigger so that when a new project is created in Basecamp, a corresponding contact is automatically created in Hubspot. Be sure to carefully map the data fields between Basecamp and Hubspot. This ensures that information like customer name, email, project details, and deadlines are accurately sensed. Test your integration thoroughly to ensure everything is working as expected. Once tested, activate your integration and watch the magic happen. This streamlined connection will help you enhance overall business efficiency. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Basecamp with Hubspot. Now you can focus on what matters most: growing your business. Remember to explore the advanced options within your integration platform to further customize your workflow and unlock even more potential.